So the last type of multiplication problem that we have isn't really any different than what we've seen before. However, we could take a look at this and see that there's three things here. There's three things in parentheses. So what can we do? What do we do? Well, this I can deal with. So I'll deal with that first, and then I'll write this one down later. So really, all I'm doing is just multiplying. So that's 3a times 4a is 12a squared. That's that times that. And then I want to do that times that. 3a times 2. That's plus 6a. Sweet. Okay. And then I need to do that and that. Whoops. That. So negative 7 times 4 is negative 28a and negative 14. Negative 14. Cool. So that's that blue stuff, but I can combine like terms. So I will. I'll combine like terms. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 28, 22. So this will be, I don't touch the exponents, that'll be actually a minus 22a. I don't combine these because this is a squared and this is a, so I don't do that. And then I have that 14 there. So now I'm multiplying that stuff times 2b plus 1. I just take all of that and bring it down. Alright, so hopefully we know how to do this. This is, and we can use the box method for this. For some reason, some people like the box method more, so I'll do that. 12a squared, normally you could just distribute that, whoops, and then distribute that. Just distributing three things, but if you like the box method, here you go. You should still get the same answer. And then negative 14. So that's there. And then on the top we have a positive 2b and a positive 1. Amazing. That's amazing. What do we do now? We just multiply. So I'll put it in red. What is that? 24. Oh, a squared times b. They're different. They're different variables. So we cannot add the exponents. Well, what do we do then? I don't know what to do. All we have to do is write it down. So a squared b. A squared times b. Nothing else happens to it. Okay. And then this is just, well, I'm going to fill this box. So negative 22 times 2 is negative 44. Again, a and b, I cannot combine the exponents, so I just write them down, a, b. And then negative 28b, right? Because, yes. Okay, and then I multiply those two. And that's just 12a squared, negative 22a, negative 14, right? Because I just multiplied by 1. Cool. Now I combine like terms if I can. So this is an a. That's an a. Combine like terms. That's also an a. For like terms, I have to have the same variable and the same exponent. So here I have ab, but here I have a squared b. So these two things are not like terms. In fact, I don't have any like terms. So we're just going to write them first. With this, some people do it differently, so we'll just pick one way and do it that way. I'm going to write it in descending order for a's first. So I'll write down the a squareds first, so 24a squared b plus 12a. And if you wrote it in a different order, I wouldn't mark it wrong. So that's the a squareds. Now just for the a's, minus 44ab minus 22a. Cross it off as I go. And then I have no more a terms, so minus 28b, and then last is the number. So there it is. That's it. That's nothing fancy. Just doing it piece by piece. Have a nice day.